What should we vlog today, guys? Legit, I've been waiting at the fucking beach for like 15 minutes because these girls up here just want to sit here. Legit, dude. Like, I don't know if you guys can see them or not, dude. Sure, well, let me zoom in, dude. But yeah, it's like, dude, like, I've been waiting for probably like 15 minutes just because these girls are like trying to hurry the fuck up. But honestly, bro, it's crazy. Trying to just get my fucking first vlog off. Nah, it's okay though. I don't have anything better to do in my life, and now these old people are looking at me like I'm fucking crazy. So let me put down the camera and I'll be right back. So like, I had no idea what to do for my first vlog, so I was just like, you know what, bro? I'm just gonna take all of you guys and me to the beach, bro. Let's just get it. What the fuck is there to do? It's so damn windy, bro. Like, when I laid my face right there, I could feel like 1,000 little sandbugs just flying in my fucking face like right now. Yo, it was like way too fucking windy, so I like made like a towel like igloo, bro, so that I could talk to you guys. And yo, there's a golf course like right on this beach, and I'm legit thinking about like just searching the golf course, like this little thing, and go find golf balls, because this is like a private golf course, so there's like expensive ass bitches here, you know what I'm saying? Like, they got that good shit. And bro, I don't know, let's just go look. Honestly, my goal is just to find a couple. I mean, even one would be better than none, so I don't know, we'll just pick it up whenever I find one, I guess. Let's look at that one more time. Private property, no trespassing, yeah. Dude, not one fucking old person shanked their ball in the woods, dude. Oh, I got one, dude. I got one. Yeah. What kind is it? Like the shittiest ball you can buy, but that's cool. I'll take it, bro. Come on, focus, dog. Oh, we're gonna head back. Oh, yo, I found another one. It's Titleist. Okay. Any more? I don't know if you guys can see, there's like fucking spider webs, dude. Like, look at that. Everywhere. Like, just straight charging everything, dude. And there's like these fucking pointy ass thorns everywhere, bro. Ow, like, look at this shit. Ow. Ow. Fuck, yeah. That red line is done. The cops just like come like charging at me, dude. But yeah, dude, if you guys, like I said, if you guys have any video ideas for me in the future, guys, just let me know. Like I said, I'm not gonna do any challenges or just reviews or whatever. Right now, we're just at a freaking golf course, so I'll catch you guys whenever I find another ball. Bro, I'd leave the area because, ooh, okay. Not the best, but it's a hex control. It's not bad. I'll take that any day, bro. It looks fairly new as well. Oh, dude, did I find the honey hole? An old ass Pro V1X. Okay, let's be really smart and just dip into these fucking small ass bushes, bro. God, I don't see shit. Hey, guys, you guys gotta smash the like button. If I actually go up to one of the holes and drop one of the balls I found in the hole and then leave it, that would be funny as hell. Drop a like and maybe I'll do that. Right now, I'll give you guys kind of the view I got. I'm just looking for balls, bro. Like, this shit's really tough to look in, though. I'm just gonna crawl in this bitch, dude. Oh no, I'm losing my flip-flop. Well, we got an old beer can. That's pretty lit. I'm actually kind of stressed because my GoPro is just sitting on the beach right now, dude. And I really don't want someone to snag that bitch, but I'm like in the middle of nowhere though, so I doubt anybody will come at me. Dude, I don't absolutely see shit. We're gonna try to crawl over there and get a better view. Oh my God. Guys, the struggle I go through. Honestly. Yeah. Bitch. I gotta head back. That was so stressful, dude. I was legit just crawling in the woods, and then I hear a golf shot. I'm like, wait, that was super close. And then I realized, like, fuck, like, there's people right there. They must have heard me. Guys, you see how loud it is right now, bro? Get to the edge. Ow. I'm gonna have cut marks all fucking over me, bro. Ow. Fucking made it. I low-key feel like I should do like a 24-hour challenge just under this bridge and just scare people. I should just do that. Comment if you guys want to do that for one video. Just like legit stay here all night and just scare people, dude. I mean, I made it with 4 golf balls. The other one's like under my car somewhere. I dropped it. I don't really feel like grabbing it, but that's really not that bad, honestly. I mean, I'm gonna go back for another video, but do it like way more intense. If you guys want to, like I said, just comment a video idea. We're gonna go leave this Titleist ball on the door handle of that car real quick. Oh. You're welcome. They'll thank me later, guys, don't worry. Yo, what's up, girl? Tell the vlog how you like it. Anyway, that's probably gonna be it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, this was my first ever vlog. And if you guys have any other ideas, I have so many that I want to do. But if you guys have any special ones, just let me know. I know I've said that a couple times through this video, but we will get better over time. Like anything, practice makes perfect. And anyway, I hope you guys make sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace, guys.